Java Fullstack Developer Training Program powered by Guru School. This is your trainer, Miraj Ahmed. Currently, I'm working as a Fullstack Java trainer, and I have more than 9 years experience in Java training. But overall, I have more than 15 years experience in different types of training like C, C++, .NET, PHP, MS Office, Tally, like softwares. I have already certified in Java, in HCL and IIT Kharagpur, and today I want to give some information about this training program because this is a very demanding training program in current era. So I want to give you some information about this training program. But first of all, I want to give some information about Guru School. Guru School provide you consulting, IT consulting from and outsourcing, IT training and healthcare IT. So it is not like as a institution. It's provide you different types of facility if you want to make your career as a full stack or in IT sector. So Gurukul School provide you full support for your career. So for this purpose, Guru School provides you IT training, IT certification. After training, Guru School provides you certification, interview support, project support. So, and this facility are free of cost. You have not need to any paid for any amount. Okay, it's free of cost from Guru School. Guru School working on the following pillars, 6 pillars, like instructor-led training, which means it's not work on the basis of pre-recorded training. Actually, instructor are already always present, and that is a live training. And after training, Guru School provide you certification, resume preparation, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, and project support also. Okay, so mostly mostly training provided by Guru School in 8 to 12 weeks, and after completion of diploma, you will get certificates, and it also provides you a resume preparation, vendor interview, client interview, job assistance, and project placement and ongoing project. So we can say you can invest 6 months for whole process. Now I'm going to start OOPS concept, object oriented programming language. Okay, so Java is an object oriented programming language. So I think you know C language. Okay, so you know what is language, what is programming. Okay, the third word is oriented. Oriented means dependent. So we can say Java is the object dependent programming language. It's work on the basis of object. So Java work on the basis of object. The first question will arise that what is object? So each and every entity is an object if that have properties and behavior. If any entity have properties and behavior, that's called object. Okay. So if we want to perform different type of operation on the object, so for this purpose we have a system, object oriented programming system. On the basis of this system we can handle the object. object, different types of object operation. So, object-oriented programming system provide us different concept like object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. So these are the most important concept of object-oriented programming system. Okay, so on the basis of these properties, these concept, we can categorize the all object-oriented programming language, because in market, uh, you will get multiple object-oriented programming system. So we can categorize these object-oriented programming language on the basis of these concepts. First is called object-based. Okay, I think you know that JavaScript, JavaScript and VB script. These are called object or based languages. These languages don't support inheritance. So we can perform only object and class. We cannot perform inheritance. Okay, so we cannot perform polymorphism. Okay, so we can only perform object and class on the basis of JavaScript and VB script. So these are called object-based language. Second is pure OPP. Okay, like Simula and Smalltalk. These languages are called pure OPP language. Means these languages don't support primitive values. Primitive value means like integer, float, double, character. We cannot perform these types of values. It's only work on the basis of object. Okay, so we can say Simula and Smalltalks are the ancestors of Java, C++, C Sharp, like this. These languages. Okay, and third is a OOPS language like C++, Java, C Sharp. These languages are called OOPS language. Means we can work on primitive values and object both in C++, Java, and C Sharp, because these are OOPS language. Here I am describing the only my purpose is that I want to say that Java is not a pure OPP language. This is a object-oriented programming language, a normal object programming language. Java is not a pure OPP language. Only similar and small talks are the pure OPP language. Okay. After that, so first of all, we are going to one by one. We will learn the all concept like object, class, encapsulation. Try to understand what are the concept of these concept: object, class, encapsulation, inheritance. What is the use of these concept? Polymorphism, abstraction, etc. Okay, so first of all, object. We can say objects are runtime entity and real entity. It will perform all types of operation. So in object-oriented programming system, we perform all operation on the basis of object. Okay. So if you want to perform any operation, first of all, create the object of that class. After that, we can use this. So that is real-time entity. We can runtime entity, real entity. You can say anywhere, but object will work. Like suppose we want to admission in BTech, MTech, like this. So, so institution provide us a form, and we will put the all information about the about us, like what is my name, what is my father name, what is my address, email address, biodata, date of birth, email address, and mobile number, qualification, hobbies, like this. Okay, so I will submit this form after filling these information. So actually this form is like as a class. So class is only a paperwork. In class, we declare the properties and behavior of a object. You and me also a object. So that form is a description with our properties and behavior. What is my name? What is my father? My address? What is my date of birth? Email ID, mobile number, qualification, hobbies, like this. Okay, so that's for I fill that form and submit it. So in form, I have declared the all properties and behavior of us. Same as that is class. That page is that form is a like as a class. So class is a description of object properties and behavior. So you can say class is the that is a paperwork that we can declare the all properties and behavior of object in the class. Okay, but if you fill the form and submit that form, after that you will take the class in the college. Um, you can give the examination, and you will get the certificate. So you will perform the all operation because you are object. But that form is only description of your properties and behavior. It will not perform any operation. Okay, same as class. Class will not perform any operation. Okay, that is the only description of the properties and behavior of object. Okay, so we can say class is a collection of similar types of objects. Like this current cohort, this current class is also a there are 22 members in this cohort. Have 40 members. Okay, so we can say there are in this class have 14 objects. Okay, and all objects have similar property. All objects are learning Java. So a class is a collection of similar type of object. Okay, so this is also a class. Currently we are in a class. So this class also contain object, similar type object. So all objects have same properties, similar properties. All are the uh, all are the Java learner. So we can say class is a, in definition we can say class is a collection of similar type of objects. Okay, if you want to perform any operation, because without object class we cannot imagine any object. Okay, so first of all create the class. After that we can get the object of that class. So if you want to create any program, if you want to perform any operation in Java, so first of all, create a class. After that, we can write any code within this class. Okay. So for this purpose, Java provides us a keyword that is called class. So through the class keyword, we can create a class. Okay. We cannot write anything outside of the class. We cannot write any code outside of the class. For the security purpose, Java, in Java, we can write the each and everything within the class. Only security purpose. Java does not support global variables. Okay, because we will declare the global variable outside of the class. So it is not possible in Java. We can write each and every code within the class. Okay, after that we can declare the name of this class, because like you and me also a object. If you want to identify any person, so I have your parent declare a name. Through that name we identify each and every person. Same as you have one or more class, so how to identify that? So first of all, declare the name of this class. Okay, suppose I have declared the name of this class is Remo. Okay, so for this purpose, Java provides us some rules for the declaration of class or method or variable or constant or anything, any identifier if you want to declare. So Java provides some rules, same as C language. Means we can use A to Z letter, 0 to 9 number. Suppose first rule is we can use A to Z letter, capital in or small, 0 to 9 number and underscore. Okay, same as in C language. But in Java, we can also use dollar sign in identifier name. There is a facility of Java only. Mostly languages support only A to Z letter, 0 to 9 number and underscore. But in Java, we can also use dollar sign. Okay, like second thing, the second rule is that uh, suppose you and your name and my name have some number of character like 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 30. But if you want to declare a name in Java, so we have not need to consider about the number of character. You can declare any name with any number of character. Okay, like here, this is a 4 character. In C language, we can use maximum 31 character in identifier name. But in Java, there is no limit. We can use any number of character in there, a name of any identifier. Okay, and third rule is that we cannot use first character as a number. Okay, that is also, this rule is also present in C language. Okay, are there any other language? No problem. Our language support these rules. First character uh, cannot be used as a number, 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, we can use after one first character, we can use this is correct. But we cannot use any number, any digit as the first character of a identifier name. Okay, Java. So these are the 3 rules. Okay, same as C language, only some differences between C and Java. But Java also provided some conventions. Like here, name should be in the first letter of the name should be in capital. But this is a convention, not mandatory. Rules are mandatory, but conventions are not mandatory. So you want to, it depends on you, want to use or not. Okay, so here the first letter should be in capital, and if we are using a name of class is a group of word like demo of Java program, the first letter of each word in capital. If we are using combination of multiple word as a class name, so first letter of each word in capital. Okay. Third convention is we declare the name of class should be noun, like account, like student, like employee, like college, like department, like library, like this. Name should be noun. Okay, these are the convention only, but rules are mandatory. Okay, so here I have declared name, employee.